Access the website template. Click the link provided in the PDF file to open the Google Sites template. If you do not have a Google account, you will be prompted to create one. Make a copy of the template. Once the template opens, look for the three dots menu next to the Publish button in the top right corner. Click on it and select Make a Copy. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a new name for your site. Then click OK. Once the copying process is complete, click on the site's home icon, the blue document icon in the top left corner, to return to your library sites. You will see two versions: the copied site with your chosen name and the original shared version. Remove the shared version. Click the three dots menu and select Remove. Close the first browser tab with the original template, as it's no longer needed. Click on your copied website to open it in the editor. You can now start making changes to customize your site.